Module 4. The right to compensation. Patrick is an ex-mine worker who has worked in the mines for 15 years. During the years of his work, they did not have protective clothing and no health insurance, meaning that they had to finance themselves whenever they needed to access health services. There were also challenges with the working conditions, where it was difficult to get time off to travel to access health services when he was not feeling well. When he got sick, he was forced to take unpaid leave and had to vacate the mine accommodation he was using. Patrick was finally diagnosed with TB and silicosis, which meant that he could not continue working in the mines. Due to the fact that his health challenges were primarily a result of limited protection within the work environment, he engaged the mine so that he could be compensated. He got treatment with the support of his family members and now is unemployed, as his health no longer allows him to work. When he went back to try and get his compensation, he could not get assistance from the company. He was advised to seek support from the workers' union, but they indicated that they were not able to assist him since assistance could only be provided by the HR department. What should Patrick do regarding his situation? What services should be available to ensure situations such as the one Patrick found himself in are avoided? How can Patrick claim his compensation from his former employers? When you work in the mines, it is important to work through the Mine Workers Union to ensure the following: that there are adequate safety measures for workers. There should be educational sessions focusing on the signs and symptoms of TB, how to get screened and where to get screened. There should be health facilities on site, or there should be provisions of referrals to health facilities. There should be health insurance to ensure workers can access services. There should be clarity on sick leave and clear processes for applying for it. All employees should be provided with clear information on how to claim compensation. Takeaway messages. Mine workers and ex-mine workers have the right to TB information and services. Mine workers and ex-mine workers have a responsibility to seek services when they experience any signs and symptoms of TB. Mine workers have the right to compensation, and employers need to provide information on how compensation claims can be made. Mine workers and ex-mine workers need to ensure they have adequate information about the procedures that have to be followed in order to access compensation. Do you have any questions?